Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to come on to let everyone know that there is hope out there for everyone who is struggling with increasing their credit scores, getting things taken off of their credit, derogatory and negative remarks, and different things off of their credit. Judgments can be reversed. I am a witness to that. I talked to Mr. Muhammad, and he diligently and quickly got with me on two, as a matter of fact, two different documents that they had taken to the courts to have us either garnished or sued for a pretty small amount of money from two different charge off credit cards, and he worked his magic, and we sent in our countersuit. And the next thing you know, I got an email and a personal call from the attorney himself asking that, if we were interested in, going on and settling this out of court. And he dropped everything. We got a formal letter that we had to sign for dismissal without prejudice. And everything worked out, in our favor on that. Always remember to try your best to keep things paid off. Try to make sure that you don't miss any payments. And if you get yourself in a bind, please don't, hesitate or feel uncomfortable or embarrassed to reach out to Mr. Muhammad with the credit healing, because he is the best in the business as far as I'm concerned, hands down. Thank you so much for your time. Just wanted to give everybody a little hope out there. Bye-bye.